Hey everyone on the ESC forums. I'm going to do a quick tutorial here on strafe jumping. A lot of people have asked me about it, so I decided to do a quick tutorial on it. So basically a strafe jump is simply just the act of turning before you jump. And this gets you just a little bit more speed in the air, which allows you to make gaps. It doesn't necessarily make you jump any higher or anything like that. It's just simply gaining more speed to bridge a gap. Frame rate does play into this to a certain extent, but the frame rate really is not a huge factor for right now, just when it comes to strafing. 60 frames per second is usually what I play on, or 125. I play the same way. When I do a strafe, I execute it the same way as I normally would. The little part in the beginning there was just a show off of what you can do with these types of features and tactics. So right now I'm going to show you a gap that you cannot make by just doing a standard run and jump. And that's going to be this one right here. We'll play this in real time. This is on Mirage. And as you can see, no matter how good of a good jump you get, you're still never going to make it to those posts. You absolutely need to strafe. Alright, here comes the strafing important part here. I'm going to slow this down extremely so you guys can absolutely get time scale. So you can get a really good perspective on how it works. You can watch the first one here and just kind of make your own observations. Oh yeah, I forgot. Never mind. This is one I absolutely failed on. Forgot to jump. Happens a lot when you're first learning. So strafing is basically just simply turning towards your target 90 degrees. Once you hit the 90-degree mark, you want to jump. So I'm doing forward, sprint, and left here, holding all three keys, turning 90 degrees, and then I jump at 90 degrees. You want to always hold those three keys in the air while you are moving. You never want to let go of those keys. And as you can see, that'll give you just a little extra range to make the gap. Again, forward, sprint, and left. Slight curve. You don't want your mouse movement to be a flick. You want it to be a nice, smooth, but swift movement. As you can see here, again, you'll make it every single time, as long as you execute it correctly. Again, forward, sprint, left. Nice, swift, smooth but quick mouse movement. Jump, and you can actually make it all the way to here. If you're real good at it, you can get to the higher level also. Again, I'll show you another tactic. Once you get that first strafe down, the actual press the buttons, turn 90 degrees, and hit spacebar and jump. Once you get that method down real good, to get even further, if you notice when I jump, after I jump, I keep holding all three keys, and my mouse is constantly moving to the left still. Just a very small amount. That will give you more airspeed and allow you to jump even further. Like as you saw, I got a little bit further there. So we'll do it again here. Do just a forward, left, and sprint. Slow turn to the left because I'm jumping to my left, of course. Hit spacebar when I'm about 90 degrees. And as you can see, watch my mouse crosshairs. Slowly turning to the left the entire time. Get you that little bit of extra speed. That is not really needed 100%, but it does help for this specific jump. But just by doing this quick strafe here from the beginning, just the sprint left and forward and turning your mouse and jumping will actually help you a lot. You don't really need to do the mouse turn in the air. It's just something I've gotten used to get more speed. And I guess that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if there's anything else that you guys have a question about or that you've seen me do in game, any magic, I promise it's not magic. It's just simply a little bit of an engine trick. The anti-gravity stuff, like I posted on the forums here, has stopped, and that's the stuff you saw in the beginning. That's just all just for fun. It's something I do in my free time off your guys' servers. But as you can see, you can get extremely large jumps if you just practice that movement right there. I'm going to show you it in real time, just so you guys can see what it feels like. Ooh, that's not real time. There you go. That's what it's going to look like in real time. You want a nice, smooth movement. And there you go. Guess that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know.